Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Nissan Armada. To begin, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Next, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Then, on your Armada's infotainment screen, locate and select the Settings option. This is your essential starting point for managing all connections. We'll move quickly through these initial steps to get your device connected in no time. Once in the Settings menu, look for Connections or a Bluetooth option and tap it. You'll then see a choice to add new device or pair device. Select that. Your Armada will now search for available Bluetooth devices. When your phone appears on the screen, select it. A pairing code will display on both your phone and the Armada's screen. Confirm they match to proceed. After confirming the pairing code, your phone will attempt to connect to the Armada. You might receive prompts on your phone to allow access for contacts, call history, and media audio. Be sure to grant these permissions for full functionality. Once connected, test the setup by playing some music or making a quick hands-free call. Enjoy your new seamless audio and communication experience. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Armada's infotainment system often resolves them. Also, consider deleting any old, unused devices from your Armada's Bluetooth memory to free up connection slots. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. You can find a link for that along with other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.